Setting up a secure and effective environment for malware analysis is extremely important as a researcher and cybersecurity professional. We're going to go over some of the basics when it comes to establishing isolated virtual environments and safely executing malware samples so you can meticulously record and report on your findings. Isolated virtual environments allows you to examine malware without risking the integrity of the host system or network. So virtualization software such as VirtualBox or VMware can be used to create these environments. So the first thing you're going to want to do is install virtualization software. So downloading and installing a hypervisor like VirtualBox or VMware on your host machine. Then you're going to create a new virtual machine. So configure a new virtual machine, allocating appropriate resources such as CPU, memory, storage, and so on, based on the operating system requirements. You're then going to install your guest operating system. So that's installing the desired operating system on the virtual machine for malware analysis. Windows 10 and Remnux, which is a Linux distribution tailored for malware analysis, are commonly used. You're then going to configure your network settings. So setting the virtual machine's network adapter to host-only mode to ensure isolation from external networks, preventing malware from communicating with the internet or other devices. Then you want to install your analysis tools, which could be equipping the virtual machine with necessary malware analysis tools. For Windows, tools like x64 Debug, Process Monitor, and Ghidra are extremely important. Remnux comes preloaded with a suite of analysis utilities, but don't forget to create your snapshots for the virtual machine. So creating a snapshot of a clean state of your virtual machine. This allows you to revert to a baseline state after each analysis session, ensuring a consistent environment. Executing malware samples requires stringent precautions to prevent unintended consequences. So you're going to use isolated environments, which means always running malware within an isolated virtual machine to contain any malicious activity. You want to disable any shared folders and clipboards. This ensures that features like shared folders and clipboard sharing between the host and virtual machine are disabled to prevent malware from escaping the virtual environment. We then want to monitor the system behavior utilizing tools like Process Monitor to observe system changes, including file modifications, registry alterations, and network activity during malware execution. We're going to limit the execution time, so running the malware for a limited duration to observe its behavior, then terminate the process to analyze the collection of data. And then revert the snapshot after you're done your analysis. You're going to revert the virtual machine to its clean snapshot to remove any residual malicious code. But the fun doesn't stop there, because you got to thoroughly document your